Automatic cleaning. For best performance, clean your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 regularly. The machine offers two cleaning modes, automatic cleaning and manual cleaning. For automatic cleaning, go to Menu, Cleaning, Auto. Make sure the water tank is filled with fresh water. Place a big cup under the splitter and start the cycle. The machine will clean the internal pathways and kettle automatically. Manual cleaning. For manual cleaning, select Manual in the cleaning menu. To begin, open the machine door. Start by gently removing the splitter, followed by the kettle. Wash both splitter and kettle with warm water. Rinse and dry thoroughly before placing each back in place. To reinstall the kettle, place it back in place and gently press backward until it clicks. To reinstall the splitter, insert it in the rails and slide it back into place until it clicks. When all pieces are reassembled correctly, close the door. Place a big cup underneath the splitter and press Done on the screen. The machine will perform a final water flush to complete the cleaning process. Your manual cleaning is now complete, and your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is ready to brew again.